Hello everyone, welcome to the Hatake Kakashi channel. How are you guys? Thanks all of you guys because we were reached more than 3k subscribers. You know guys, this is our first time in front of camera in this channel. Today I will explain about one of the most strongest Team 7, Team Minato. Before start this video, I am telling you this video not for you who didn't finish Naruto Shippuden. However, if you are new, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the notification about our latest update. So guys, let's start. Team Minato was a team that was led by the future 4th Hokage, Namikaze Minato, with Hatake Kakashi, Uchiha Obito and Nohara Rin being the members of the team. In the anime, Minato gave his students the Veil test after the team's formation in order to test their abilities. The team later participated in a Chunin exam held in Konoha, but only Kakashi was successfully promoted to the Chunin at that time. In the Kakashi Gaiden, which was set during the Third Shinobi War, the team went to Kozagakuri to destroy Kanabi Bridge to cut off supplies for Iwagakuri ninja. While Minato was away at a different mission, Rin was captured by Iwagakuri ninja during the mission. Kakashi and Obito rescued her, but Obito was crushed by a cap caused by the Iwanin Kakku. Obito gave Kakashi the Sharingan from his left eye and told Rin and Kakashi to flee. Before the second, Kevin seemingly killed him, with both Rin and Kakashi escaping to safety while being left stricken by Obito's death. In reality, however, Obito managed to survive, having been saved by an elderly Uchiha Madara, to whom he was grateful. Obito began a very lengthy process of rehabilitation with the single-minded determination of returning home to his village and help his comrades despite Madara telling Obito that the injuries Obito had sustained in the cave in would ultimately ensure that Obito would never become a fully fledged shinobi ever again. Sometime later, under Madara's secret orders, Rin was captured and made the host of the Three Tails, with Kakashi eventually saving her. Minato once again away at another mission, knowing of her true purpose yet unable to kill herself. Rin desperate to save Konoha from being destroyed at the hands of the Three Tails, opted to commit suicide, which she achieved by impaling herself one of Kakashi's chidori, which was originally intended to strike a ninja from the blood of the mist. Sometime later, Minato would sacrifice his own life to seal away the nine-tailed demon fox, who was released on Konoha by the marksman, who was Obito in disguise. Prior to the climax of the 4th Shinobi War, where he finds out the Obito still lives, Kakashi believed he was the sole survivor of Team Minato. However, during 4th Shinobi World War, Kakashi was left stunned when he and everyone else discovered the mysterious Tobi was actually Obito in disguise. After being reincarnated by Orochimaru, Minato arrived at the battlefield and soon learned the truth that his former student had been alive the whole time, while realizing his student's role in the Kyuubi's attack on Konoha, with Minato regretting what had happened, silently stating that if he had realized that the marksman was Obito, then things would have been different. When Obito, the Ten-Tails Jinchuriki, was defeated, Minato managed to stop Kakashi, who only wanted to take the finishing blow from killing his other student. The three then talked about the past, their regrets over Rin's death, and how everything had turned out. Near the conclusion of the war, Obito sacrificed himself to save Naruto from a killing blow, much to everyone's horror and shock. Obito, right after he died, meets Rin face to face before he enters the afterlife. Using his Kamui, Obito's soul temporarily merged himself into Kakashi. Letting the Jonin use his powers to help Team Kakashi defeat Otsutsuki Kaguya. Upon the war's conclusion, both Minato and Obito's souls moved on the afterlife, officially leaving Kakashi as the team's sole survivor. So that's the ends for today. It's our first time with this type of video. So if I make any mistake, please forgive me. Or if you enjoy this video, so leave a like and let me know what you know about Team Minato. All of you guys, thanks a lot.